You know what always annoys me? When companies lie to pregnant women and tell them that they're not entitled to maternity leave because they're not covered by the FMLA. You're entitled to maternity leave. You're having a baby, you work for a company, you're entitled to maternity leave. The FMLA has got nothing to do with it. The Family and Medical Leave Act of 1993 does apply and does provide 12 weeks of unpaid protected leave for the birth or adoption of your baby, in addition to other protected reasons, if you've worked for a company that has at least 50 employees and you've worked for this company before your baby is born for at least 1 year. That's a good thing if you happen to have that and qualify. But if you don't, if your company is smaller than 50 employees, or you haven't worked there for an entire year before your baby is born, you're still entitled to maternity leave. You're still entitled to have time to give birth to your baby and recover, typically for at least 6, 8, 10, or 12 weeks, depending. But you're entitled to a reasonable period of time to convalesce, bond with your baby, and get back to work. Otherwise, it's illegal sex discrimination, disability discrimination, and pregnancy discrimination. So if your employer is giving you a hard time about taking required leave to rest when your baby is born, or telling you that you're not covered or qualified because you're not FMLA protected, they're making that up and they're misrepresenting the law, and you need to hold them accountable. Just make sure you don't quit your job when you hear that from your employer. And if you need further assistance or you want to brainstorm with us about your particular workplace challenge with regard to maternity leave, give us a call here at Tuckner, Sipser, Weinstock, and Sipser. We're the women's rights and the workplace attorneys. The consultation is always free of charge.